Good morning, friends. This morning session is dedicated to all language lovers. Friends, consistently I have been loading the videos related to improvement of spoken and written English. Friends, in any competitive exams, particularly in NDA, CDS, Staff Selection Commission, IS Preliminary, and all date gazetted exams, correction of sentences, error finding, and fill in the blanks, and general knowledge of language is tested. So, the best way to command over the general knowledge of or general English is to practice some new grammatical items every day. Today, also, we are going to talk about change of degree of comparison and some typicality of that. Friends, there are three degrees of comparisons: positive, comparative, and superlative. Like many, more, most. Little, less, least. Little is positive, less is comparative, least is, superlative. For example, if you are speaking to somebody and delivering some, comparative speech, then you can say that more of the people, countable noun, more of the people this time in the second wave got affected by COVID 19 than the previous one. So, than that of the previous one. Similarly, when you are comparing the greenery of Kerala to that of any other state, you can say that the greenery of Kerala is much more denser than those of any other state. So these are the sentences which beautify your expressions. You can say that Raman is better than his brother in or at cricket or at studies. She is better of the two girls. When you are comparing one out of the two, you have to use comparative. Give me the cheaper of these two, clothes. दोनों में से सबसे सस्ती वाली दीजिए. Give me the, you know, mm, less. Give me the less painful task of the two. But when you are comparing one out of many, then you have to use superlative degree. Like, give me the cheapest of all the, clothes, or give me the best of the all close, because good, better, best is the superlative degree, and generally we use the before superlative degree. Now some typicality is there, like if you suppose somebody is suffering from fever, and if she is feeling better today, then you say the girl is feeling better today. Never say she is better than yesterday. You just say the girl is feeling better today. No need of saying better than. डैन लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेकिन यदि मान लीजिए किसी टीम में कोई सबसे अच्छा प्लेयर है तो ही इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द टीम, ही इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द टीम, ही इज़ द बेस्ट पोएट ऑफ द होल seminar, like that. He is wiser than intelligent. It is wrong. See, when we are comparing, this is a very important point. When two qualities of a noun or a pronoun are compared with each other, more plus positive degree is used instead of comparative degree. Remember, when two qualities of the same noun is compared, we prefer to use more plus positive degree rather than comparative degree. For example, if you say he is wiser than intelligent, एक ही आदमी का दो क्वालिटीज कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, वाइजनेस एंड इंटेलिजेंस, तो ही इज वाइजर देन इंटेलिजेंट इज रॉन्ग. He is more wise than intelligent. That is the right answer, because you are comparing the qualities of the same noun or pronoun. Therefore, you have to use, more plus positive degree. If one is compared with all other, then you have to use the superlative degree. Like gold is, you know, the most precious metal. But if you are comparing one out of many, then you may use any other in the case of comparative. Like gold is more precious than any other metal. Gold is more precious than any other metal. But if you are not using any other and simply saying gold is precious than any metal, then it will be wrong, because in comparative degree we always use any other plus singular noun and all other plus plural. Like, Kolkata is denser. Kolkata is the most densely populated than any other city in India. Mumbai is the costliest city in India. Mumbai is one of the costliest cities in India. Mumbai is costlier than any other city in India, like that. So, in comparative, you have to use any other or all other. Gold is more precious than any other metal. That is right. But any, I mean, comparative degree ending in IOR is followed by 2. We will never use than, like superior, inferior, senior, junior, etc. Like he is senior to me. Never say he is senior than me. This, I mean, good, or this, I mean, cloth is inferior to that. Never say, I mean, inferior than. Similarly, she is senior to all other colleagues, like that. This is more inferior to that, like that. Positive and superlative, like in top, topmost. Never say topper. Top, topmost. Northern, northernmost. Western, westernmost. Remember, preferable is used in the comparative degree only. Never use preferable in any other degree. Like, and it is followed by 2. Like, this is preferable to that. Yeah, death is preferable to disgrace. Never use than with, and it is always used in comparative degree. If two adjectives are used for a single noun or pronoun and both adjectives are connected by a conjunction, both adjectives must be in the same degree. Like Gandhiji was the noblest and wisest of all the leaders. Noblest is in superlative form, wisest is also in the superlative form. So if you are using two adjectives for the same person or for the same noun or pronoun, then use them the adjective in the same degree. If you are using superlative, use superlative. Like Gandhiji was the noblest and wisest of all the leaders. So today we just discuss some typicals of these, I mean, in day-to-day use, particularly in spotting error and facing competitive exams, testing your general English. These are very helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.